Right out of the gate, did you know backhoes are multi-talented machines? They can dig, backfill, and even load material. Second, the backhoe's invention goes back to the year 1948 by Joseph Cyril Bamford. Thirdly, the world's largest backhoe, the JCB-5CX, has a whopping maximum digging depth of 26 feet. Fourth, the backhoe's front loader can lift up to a staggering 3.5 tons. Fact 5. Backhoes are eco-friendly, using biodegradable oil in their hydraulic systems. Sixth, the JCB GT, the world's fastest backhoe, can reach speeds of up to 115 miles per hour. Seventh, backhoes can be operated remotely for tasks in hazardous environments. Eighth, they're versatile, with over 50 available attachments. Ninth, backhoes can work in all weather conditions, from scorching heat to freezing cold. Finally, did you know a backhoe's hydraulic system operates